Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Blitz Quick Tutorials. I'm joined by a friend today. Do you want to come say hi? Come here. Come say hi to everyone. Come here. Oh, here. Little friend's gonna help me out for the day. Go ahead, buddy. Anyways, welcome back to another episode of Blitz Quick Tutorials. You guys are catching me in gym form right now, so sorry about that. I'm a little haggard today, but my name is Mary Sola, or Blitzen, and these are my Blitz Quick Tutorials. I teach you guys how to glove very quickly and save you guys from the long vanity projects that exist on the internet. I get straight to the point, give you guys moves that you guys can use in your light shows right away. Oh, and wait, one more thing. At the very end of this video, I'm going to be doing a reveal for what my new merch design is. A lot of you guys have been asking for merch. Finally got some made. It's gonna be really exciting. And there's gonna be a direct external link that you guys will be able to purchase from. And it's gonna be really easy to buy. So if you stick around to the end, you guys can see the new reveal. Oh, and another thing, there's so many just announcements today. I will be commenting on the winner for last week's giveaway on this afternoon as well. Sorry, I had a lot of responses to get through. All of them were so thoughtful and amazing. Those are the things that really inspire me to keep going. So thank you again, and let's get into the move for today. All right, so today's move we're using a dial and we're using a whip. And basically what this move is this is a transition for how to get out of whips. Okay, a lot of people ask for transitions and a lot of people ask for dials. So I figured why not combine all of them in one? So if we are doing forward whips, okay, this is gonna be a concept for how you can get out of them. So let's cue the music right now. Okay, so that's the move. So what you guys want to do, if you don't know how to do forward whips, I would start with that. If you can't do them and you're like, don't really want to learn them yet, and you want to start somewhere a little bit simpler, just start with these types of tunnels. Okay, so basically just going back and forth. You don't have to necessarily make it whips. You're gonna be isolating one hand while the other hand is basically closing. This way, again, you can do it from the whips or you can do it whichever way you'd like. So your right hand is gonna be doing this crawling motion as your other hand is closing, right? And right as it's closing, then your fingers are gonna stack into a dial. A dial is when you're stacking your fingers on top of each other. So as soon as you stack those fingers, you're going to then push that hand through and you're gonna pull it back. So almost like you're pulling it back from the viewer, because then what's gonna happen is you're going to then go straight back into the viewer. So their attention now is going from this whip, right? It's following these two things and then you're combining them into one thing. And from there you can do anything. I kind of, the actual move was me just doing this and transitioning out of it. But from there, right, you could go into different types of dials. You could go into some type of finger tutting type thing. But when you push that dial through, you're gonna pull the whole hand back into a finger roll. Your palm's gonna be facing up. So there's a lot of places you can really go from here. I know it doesn't look like it, but you can, again, make this sharp angle. You can move the whole thing this way and then go into some other type of tutting type thing. But the concept is that you can now, because this is kind of a hard move to get out of, right? So now you have another way that you can get out of it and go into something else. Okay, so that's the move for today. And oh yeah, the new merch design. Let me show you guys that right now. And here it is. Yes. Very, very cool. I love it a lot. It has the half deer, half skull look with the cobweb and the little cross earring on the ear, which is one that I wear. I'm not wearing it today, but that I typically wear. But this is really cool. I love it so much. It's just like something a little bit more mature and like something that I would wear. And this design is just, it's kind of changed and morphed over the years. And this is a really mature look for it, I think. And it's exciting. And I'm really excited to, share another type of my, vision with you guys. So those will be coming out soon. There will be a direct link to where you can purchase them. I'm trying to make the prices as affordable as possible for you guys. You know, I just want you guys to, this is something that people have requested, and I just want to, again, fulfill that. Be on the lookout for where you can purchase that. And again, if you guys want to ever save any money on any rave lights or gear, you can always use my code Blitzen at Amazing Lights or Scummy Bears, save 10%. I'm just trying to help you. So I hope you guys enjoyed that move for today, something different. Transitions are hard, so hopefully that helped you guys out. And I will see you guys